Hey, Dr. Canova. I have a couple questions that I wanted to ask you. The first one is it normal for my back to pop?
That's a good question. It can be normal or it can be abnormal. If you're just getting out of bed in the morning and your back pops a little bit, or if you're stretching, you feel a little pop, that probably is nothing. But if you're going throughout, say, a gym workout and your neck or your back is popping all the time, or if you're playing tennis and you feel constant popping in your spine or in your knee or shoulder, that potentially is a problem and needs to be evaluated by the doctor. The problem I see is when people pop their own neck or back. That potentially can cause problems. If you don't know what you're doing, you really shouldn't be popping your neck or back. You should leave that to the professionals.
Okay. The second question is, why does my neck feel stiff in the morning?
That's a great question. Many people come to me with a stiff neck, and almost everyone says, oh, I need a new neck pillow or something to sleep with that's going to correct that. And 9 times out of 10, it's not your pillow. Usually it's the position of your neck, that the alignment of the neck is off, probably because you're texting all day, what's called text neck. The normal alignment of the neck changes from a forward curve, or what's called a lordosis, into a kyphosis. It reverses. Can also happen from sports injuries or car accidents.
Okay. And the last question I have for you is, do I need an adjustment even if I'm not in pain?
That's a good question. The answer is maybe. Sometimes the absence of pain is a good thing and could mean you're perfectly fine. But I've got many patients who came to me initially when they were in pain. We got them straightened out over a period of time, and they come once a month, once every other month for what's called a maintenance type of treatment. So generally that's a good thing. Make sure to like this video and follow us for part 2 of this series.